Hello, this is Rakib here, and today is my fourth video I'm going to make. And in this video we will know how to create your power plan on Windows 10. So we click on the start menu, click on settings. In system panel we click on power and sleep. Okay, the first rule is about turning off your screen. How to you want to turn off your screen. If you want it after 10 minutes, that is by default. You can click here. If you want to turn off your screen after 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you can click here. If you are running on power saving mode, then you can click on 1 minute or 2 minutes. And the sleep function works as when you go away from your PC and if you want to save power, then you can click on the setting. When PC plugged in, PC goes to sleep after 30 minutes. You will have different settings on your laptop or a PC that has a battery on it, and then you will have a different plan when you unplug the charger. So you can click here and make it 20 minutes or less if you are running on power saving mode. Okay, this was the very basic, and if you want to use some additional settings and advanced level fix, then you can click on additional power settings. Then this is the balanced recommended settings. You may have more functions like high performance or power saver here, like mine. Then after selecting your desired plan, you can click on change plan settings. So you can see that the same function is we are using on setting app, that also has a control panel section. So we click on, if you have messed your settings, then you can click just restore default settings for this plan, and we press OK. You can see click yes will immediately restore your plan by default settings as 10 minutes by 30 minutes. And if you want to customize it from here, like 5 minutes and 15 minutes, your PC will go sleep after 15 minutes. You will leave it inactive and display will be turned off after 5 minutes. Okay, if you change the settings, this will be applied on your settings app also, like this. You can see that the same settings are working but in different place. So if you want to change this settings on advanced level, you can change advanced power settings. Then you can make your hard disk to sleep after 2 minutes or 20 minutes, however you like it. You will have to enter the value in minutes. Okay, but we are going to work on hibernation, so we'll have to come to sleep section and click on hibernate. After that, you can see here my PC will never hibernate, as it means my display will turn off after 5 minutes and then PC will go to sleep after 15 minutes, but it will never turn itself fully completely. It will never be turned off completely. So to make it happen, we input a value here like 30 minutes and we click on apply. Okay, so my PC will now turn off after 5 minutes. My display will be turned off after 5 minutes and PC will go to sleep after 15 minutes, and after going to sleep it will be completely shut down. It means hibernated. It will be hibernated on after 30 minutes. So you can see that if you leave your PC inactive for completely 15 minutes, 5 plus 15 equal 20 plus 30 minutes of hibernation, okay, it will turn off after 50 minutes. So that was all for today. That I think this is all This is everything you need to know about your PC's power and sleep plan. So I hope you like, subscribe, and drop your comment. Thank you.